Hello, it's me again, Muhammad from Egypt. Today is our lesson 2. Today we are going to talk about personal pronouns and possessive adjectives in Egyptian Arabic. So I in Egyptian dialect is أنا, you, أنت, أنتي, we, إحنا. You plural, أنتم. Let's see example. أنا ديانا وأنت مين؟ أنا أحمد. He in Egyptian dialect هو, she هي, they هما. Let's see another example. هو أحمد, he is Ahmad. هي سونيا, she is Sonia. هما إخوات, they are brother and sister, and you can also use it, they are brothers or sisters. And now let's see how to make personal adjectives. Friend means صاحب. My friend صاحبي. Your friend صاحبك. His friend صاحبه. Her friend صاحبها. Their friend صاحبهم. Our friend صاحبنا. But if you are talking about a girlfriend, my friend صاحبتي. Your friend صاحبتك. His friend صاحبته. Her friend صاحبتها. Their friend صاحبتهم. Our friend صاحبتنا. Let's learn how to say this is. ده أخويا. This is my brother. ده بابايا. This is my father. دي أختي. This is my sister. دي عمتي. This is my aunt. ده عمي. This is my uncle. ده ابن عمي. This is my cousin. دي بنت عمي. Now let's see if you understood well. مين الولد ده؟ الولد ده أخويا. البنت دي أختك؟ أيوة. الولد ده زميلك؟ لا مش زميلي. دي عمتها. دي مامتهم. هو بابانا. هو عمهم. Thanks for watching. Ask in comments if you have any questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.